Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which Outlook you have because options differ. Open the app now. On Windows, click File then Options. On Mac, choose Outlook then Preferences. Once done, locate the Mail or Spelling Settings pane. This is where automatic checks live. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile if you manage multiple accounts. These first steps get you straight to the spelling controls, so the next changes affect the account and device you intend. Now you'll turn off the automatic checks. In Windows Options, open Mail then Spelling and Auto Correct. Uncheck Check Spelling as you type and any grammar flags. On Mac, go to Spelling and Grammar and disable automatic spelling. If you're on Outlook, open Settings, view all Outlook settings, Mail, Compose, and Reply, then disable spell check features. Make sure to review related autocorrect entries, so Outlook won't still change. Finish by saving your changes and restarting Outlook. Then draft a quick test message to confirm red underlines are gone. If spell check remains active, check for add-ins or third-party tools that may enforce spelling rules. Disable them temporarily. Also verify your operating system's spell check settings, since OS-level checks can override app preferences. If problems persist, clear the Outlook cache or recreate the profile. These steps ensure the change is applied and give you a clear troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.